Lumon sliding glazing is a frameless wall system designed to make balcony and patio spaces more usable throughout the year. Otherwise known as LGS, Lumon sliding glazing is situated on a track with each panel connected as they slide towards their destination. When closed, the glazing protects the user from the wind and rain. When opened, the panels stack in front of one another, allowing the user to adjust for the breeze or the temperature. LGS is a great solution for those looking to add functionality to their outdoor living space without the glazing interfering with patio furniture, leaving you with more room for life.